Hello CS50 Web. Today I want to do my submission for the Project 1 wiki. First, I want to show you my entry page. If you type wiki and for example CSS, you get redirected to the CSS entry page. If you search for something that doesn't exist, for example CSS, you can see CSS was not found. Now I want to show my index page. You can see the list and also the links. If you click on them, you get redirected to the entry page. It works for all of them. Now I want to search for something in this wiki. For example, I want to search for Git. As you can see, you get redirected to the Git entry page, Git and GitHub. And if you search for a substring, for example E, you can see Git. If you search for the substring H, you can see HTML or Python. If you search for Py, you can see Python. If you click on these links, you get also redirected to the entry page. But if you want to create a new page, you can't create a page that doesn't have an entry or a title. So if you have a title but no entry, you get an error message. If you have an entry but no title, you also get an error message. Now I can create a new entry, for example CSS, but this already exists, so this is another CSS. As you can see, title CSS already existed, entry has not changed, and if we look, yes, it's the original one. So if I want to create a new entry, I can create it. I like to give it a heading. Now I can start with my Markdown language. For example, Google is the best search engine in the world. Now I can save it, and you can see it works. As expected, I get redirected to the Google page. Now if I want to edit a page, I can visit, for example, the Google entry page and click edit. Now I can add some additional lines. For example, it is one of the largest search engines in the world. As you can see, it is saved and it works just fine. If you want to get a random page, you can click the random page link, and as you can see, it works. And if you want to use the Markdown language, for example in Django, it is Python, for example, you get redirected to the Python entry page. And another example, if you try to use HTML, you get redirected to the HTML entry page. This is my interpretation for the Project 1 wiki. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.